Welcome to Module 1, Foundations of Branding and Reputation. In this module, we will establish the core vocabulary and strategic frameworks necessary to manage an organization's most valuable intangible assets, defining the brand and reputation too. Begin. We must distinguish between three related but distinct concepts. A product brand is defined by how a marketing organization wants a specific product to be perceived by its audience. Similarly, a corporate brand represents how a corporation wants to be perceived as a whole. In contrast, corporate reputation is not an internal goal, but the actual sum of perceptions that individuals or stakeholder groups hold regarding that organization. A useful way to visualize this is through the reputation formula. Reputation equals performance plus behavior plus communication. This sum is then multiplied by an authenticity factor, which is an indicator of how well an organization lives up to its intrinsic identity or its raison d'être. If an organization fails to live up to what it stands for, its reputation will inevitably decline as a fraction of its total performance and communication. The brand-reputation convergence. In the modern business environment, we are seeing an acceleration in the convergence of brand and reputation. While they report to different departments internally, the public makes no such distinction. The key difference lies in their strategic focus. Brand is primarily concerned with differentiation and relevancy for the customer, whereas reputation centers on the legitimacy of the organization in the eyes of all stakeholder groups. The holy grail for any management team is to reach a state of equilibrium where corporate reputation equals the corporate brand. This ensures that the walk of the organization is perfectly aligned with its talk. Brands as strategic assets. Finally, we must recognize that brands and reputations are not just soft concepts. They are strategic firm assets. Though they are classified as intangible assets, they have substantial and measurable financial value. For example, a 2014 report indicated that the reputations of S&P 500 companies accounted for 21% of their combined market capitalization. In some elite cases, such as Walt Disney or Apple, reputation can contribute to nearly 50% of a firm's market value. A strong reputation provides a sustainable competitive advantage that is difficult for rivals to duplicate. It creates an intangible barrier to entry, allowing well-reputed firms to command premium prices, lower their customer acquisition costs, and enjoy expanded latitude in decision-making. Conversely, an unmanaged reputation asset will eventually decline in value and move to the liability column, potentially leading to reputational anarchy.